Hello, my healthy women. This is Dr. Shukrat Okesina again in our consulting room. I'm going to talk to you today about emotionally abusive relationships, which we also call psychological abuse or mental abuse. How do we recognize an emotionally abusive relationship? If you have a relationship where your partner is always aggressive when he's talking to you, gives you verbal threats, is manipulative and controlling you, always humiliating you in front of your friends and relatives. He puts you down, insults you, calls you names that you don't like, or gives you a silent treatment, emotional distancing, not caring for you. There's also something we call gaslighting, when your partner makes you feel as if you're the one that is crazy, you don't know what you are doing. Or it starts isolating you from others, when you have a partner that doesn't, if you don't have a job you're doing and it doesn't give you money to spend, doesn't let you go out to meet your friends, doesn't let you keep any friendship, you can't even talk to a friend on the phone, then you should know there's a problem. And what are the results of emotional, abuse? You have a partner that is usually depressed or anxious all the time. Sometimes they can have suicidal ideas when they get fed up with such relationships and they can't get out of the relationship. And then you have some also having a post-traumatic stress disorder. The person is always irritable, always emotionally down. And now I'm going to tell you about the signs. What are the signs you recognize in a partner that is abusing you emotionally? You notice that such partners are possessive. They are easily jealous of whatever you're doing, either your work, they are jealous of it, or your friends, or whatever activity you are doing. And you notice they are always trying to control you, either in terms of money or what you need. They deprive you from such. So you are always depending on them. And they expect you to answer text messages or calls immediately. They always question what you do. Why are you doing this? Where are you going? What are you doing? An emotionally abusive partner dislikes your friends, whether of any gender or their own gender. They dislike such friends and they isolate you from your friends and family. So you're always alone. They control the money or access to even cars or anything that you need. And then they start shifting blame. They even blame you for their own misbehavior. They make you question your reality or sanity. They make you think you are crazy. They're always manipulative. They give you ultimatum. If you don't do this, this will happen, this and that. And then you see them humiliating you and putting you down in front of your friends. And so you don't want any of your friends to see such things. So you yourself start avoiding friends. You're avoiding going out to see people. And that is the problem. And then how do we, solve such problem? How do you get out of, what is the solution of all this? The solution is to reach out. The first thing, reach out to somebody. Don't hide an abusive partner. Talk to your friends, talk to your family, somebody that can give you support. Second, have a safety plan. Safety plan in case an emotional abuse turns to a physical abuse where you start receiving blows and battery. Have a safety plan. Either you save money in case you get violence, you want to get out, or you call a friend. And then you prioritize yourself. Always make yourself important. Like yourself, plan for yourself, go out, take a walk, go for a pedicure, a manicure, makeup. Try to make yourself happy. And then there's something we call relationship bill of rights. You have a right to have friends. You have a right to your money. You have a right to having a good and happy relationship. So please always know that you have the bill of rights. You can make mistakes. What stops you from making mistakes? You should feel safe. You should express your feeling. Learn to say no. And then, of course, if there are problems, you have support, religious groups, friend support, family. Thank you. Take care of yourselves.